Hello everyone. Are you looking to download music from YouTube directly to MP3? This guide will show you how to do just that. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. YouTube offers an audio library where you can download music for free. Here's how to access it. First, make sure you are signed in to your YouTube account. Click on your profile icon at the top right corner. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to do so. Next, click on YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. In YouTube Studio, go to the left-hand menu and click on Audio Library. Once you're in the audio library, you'll see a variety of tracks available for download. These tracks can be used for free in your videos and can still be monetized. To preview a track, click the play button on the left. If you like the track, click the download button on the right. The download will start immediately. After downloading, you can find the song in your browser's downloads or by opening your File Explorer and navigating to your Downloads folder. And that's it. It's that easy to download music from YouTube's audio library. If you found this guide useful and want to see more tutorials like this, please consider subscribing and liking the video.